Is the material you use to raise sunken concrete hazardous to the environment?
No, our cured polyurethane is definitely not hazardous to the environment. Think about it. Polyurethane is used to make personal consumer products, building materials, tools, safety equipment, even medical devices. Your home or business probably contains polyurethane in the form of spray foam insulation, other building materials, padding, cushions, mattresses, bedding, and yes, maybe even one of these pillows. Our polyurethane is completely water resistant, inert, and non-toxic. It will not leach anything into the ground or surrounding areas. What's even better is that our polyurethane concrete raising process eliminates the need for replacement, which keeps concrete out of landfills.